Hello and welcome to Theme Park Worldwide, where today I'm here at Drayton Manor Theme Park on board the only stand-up roller coaster in the UK. I'm on the front row of Shockwave. Now this is absolutely fantastic. It opened back in 1994, manufactured by Intamin. We have a little pre-drop here. Of course, as we engage onto the chain that's going to carry us up to the top. And climbing up on here, you get some absolutely fantastic views on this fantastic coaster. It's located within the Adventure Cove themed area. Of course, the rapids just underneath the ride here that will be opening in 2021, so we're looking forward to that. And all the other existing rides here that have been rethemed to fit with this new nautical themed area here at the park, which is brilliant. Now in terms of Shockwave, it's got 4 different inversions to enjoy. We're standing up here, of course, and the views from climbing up here are incredible. Just approaching the top of the lift hill now. So come and join me, here we go. About to leave that lift chain, we'll get a bit of hang time first. Views are amazing, and here we go. Woohoo! Down into the first inversion. A nice vertical loop. Oh! Love it. Into the 0G roll. Fantastic. Into a corkscrew. And straight into a second corkscrew. Oh. Round to the right. Brace yourself for the brakes. Oh. Here we go into the brakes. Oh. Oh, awesome. Makes my eyes water every time. There we go. Nice front row ride there on the only stand-up roller coaster here in the UK. It's Shockwave here at Drayton Manor. Like I said, it's a fantastic ride. Dates back to 1994, but it still rides fantastic in my opinion. Really nice and smooth, very enjoyable, and it's definitely a front row ride for me. So thanks for joining me here from Drayton Manor on Shockwave, and get out there and keep on riding. See you soon.